Welcome to India. Arjun steps out of the airport for the very first time.
Okay. Wow, this is already louder than I expected.
He pulls his suitcase behind him. The heat hits first, then the sound. Horns, voices, movement, everything at once.
Why is everything moving at the same time? Do people just not stop here?
It's loud. It's fast. It's alive. A completely different rhythm of life.
All right, Arjun, stay calm. You've seen videos. You can handle this, I think.
A taxi driver waves at him from a distance, welcoming him into the chaos of the city.
Yeah, I'm definitely gonna need help.
And Arjun quickly realizes he's going to need more than just directions.
As Arjun looked around, a friendly local offered him a simple piece of advice, just one Hindi word, a word that would soon become his travel superpower.
Thoda. It means a little. Trust me, you'll use it everywhere.
Thoda? That's it? One word is gonna save my trip? Okay, I can remember that.
Arjun stepped into an auto rickshaw for his first real ride in India. The engine started, the streets came alive, and in seconds, he realized this ride was nothing like anything he had experienced before.
Bhaiya, thoda slow, please. That was not slow at all.
And just like that, Arjun's first real lesson in India began. Words matter here, but sometimes they don't mean exactly what you think. Arjun decided it was time for another challenge: food. He walked into a small local restaurant, not knowing that this would be his next test.
Okay, I think I've got this now. Thoda, just one word, right?
Confident from his earlier experience, Arjun pointed at the menu. The dish looked good, but he remembered one important rule.
Bhaiya, thoda spicy, please. Perfect. I am really learning this language.
Yeah, thoda spicy. The waiter paused, smiled, and nodded slowly, like he understood exactly what Arjun wanted. Yeah, thoda spicy. No problem.
This is not Thoda.
Arjun entered a small market and saw something beautiful. A detailed toy elephant. He was amazed.
How much is this?
3,000 rupees.
Arjun was shocked. Too expensive.
Thoda less?
Thoda. Okay.
After shopping, Arjun realized something. He had no idea where he was, and he was completely lost. Luckily, a friendly family noticed his confusion. Instead of just giving directions, they decided to help. What started as a simple question turned into lunch together. Stories were shared, photos were taken, and strangers became friends. The adventure didn't stop there. They explored the city, visited a carnival, and even danced together. Before Arjun knew it, it was time to leave. At the railway station, the family came to say goodbye, and Arjun learned the most important lesson of all. India isn't just a place, it's the people.
Thank you, my Indian family.
During his journey through India, Arjun learned one special word. Thoda. A little can become a smile. A smile can become a friendship. And sometimes, a little is all it takes to change everything. If this story made you smile, even a little, like and subscribe for more adventures.